Okay, so AP Bio is a course that is going to cover the main concepts of biology, like ecology, cells, genetics. We are going to be discussing all these topics in depth, and we're going to be doing a lot of inquiry activities, a lot of hands-ons and labs during the class. That's why we are going to take up 2 of your periods. There are 4 big ideas that you will need to actually explain. Also during the labs, you are going to be doing the lab, but also you will be doing a lab report like you did in chemistry.
I originally chose this course because I have an interest in biology and I wanted to take it at a harder level.
Because I want to get into the medical field, and I wanted to have a more general idea of what I was going to get myself into before I actually did.
I chose this course because I've always had an interest in biology and I thought it'd be good to challenge myself with an AP class.
Some of the requirements before taking AP Bio, you should take biology and chemistry because you need the background information to complete this course. It's a lot of work, a lot of reading, but it's going to be also a lot of fun doing the labs.
Yes, I do recommend the course to other students if you're interested in biology and you're willing to work hard. But if you're a person who has a lot of activities, it does get kind of hard because it's a strenuous class and it's hard material. So if you're able to handle it, absolutely.
Yes, I would recommend this class because I feel like it's preparing me for the career that I want to pursue in medicine, and it's very helpful.
I would only recommend it to students who for sure have time and dedication to AP Biology, because if you don't, then there's no way you can finish everything in time.
This is the textbook that we're going to be using, and you're going to read most of it.
I handle the workload by doing it the moment I get it assigned and not procrastinating, so it helps me also with my time management.
I don't like going to sleep late, so I try waking up earlier to do my homework. I do a lot of homework during lunch too, and just anytime I have some free time in any class, I try to do work.
I handle the workload by time managing. I know it sounds like super extra, but it's kind of hard because I have rehearsals and a lot of extracurricular activities, but if you time manage a little, you'll get your stuff done.
We did a lab, and that lab was filmed, and the lab that we did was bacterial transformation. Basically, we prepare the whole lab since the beginning. We prepare the cells and the agar cells, and then we deposit different type of bacteria in those cells, and we grow the bacteria. Then the students got a sample of the bacteria, and they put that bacteria into different agar plates. One agar plate would use carbohydrate, the other agar plate had the carbohydrate, but it also had antibiotics. And then after 24 hours, the students came back and they analyzed the growth of that bacteria, and they were able to see how the plate that has the antibiotic had no bacteria growth, or if it had any, it was really like a small amount compared to the other plates. And this is the type of things that we're going to be doing. We do this lab, we're also going to be doing DNA, you are going to be analyzing different types of DNA, you're going to be analyzing osmosis and how water moves in and out of the cells, and all that we're going to be doing during the lab period.
AP classes definitely makes an impact on your transcript. Remember, college admissions people will look at the school profile, they'll look at the course offering, they'll look at your transcript, and they'll compare that. And they want to know that you're taking rigorous courses. So it definitely does help, and it's a very competitive environment. So they'll look at, see if you're taking AP, if you're not taking AP, are you taking honors classes, and then the general classes, obviously. That's one of the potentials of looking at AP from a different lens. Even if you're taking 1 or 2, it's important to kind of always push yourself, because if you're just taking honors and they feel that you can actually have a little bit more rigorous schedule, they're going to look at that. So to me, the AP classes are important. Maybe it's not 5 AP classes, but maybe it's 1 or 2 or 3 by the time that you do finish. Remember, they're looking at your 9th grade through your 12th grade, and they're gonna see from 9th grade to 12th grade, did you increase? And did you take more rigorous classes? You know, the AP classes tells them that you can take college level classes, that you can take, you're reading textbooks that are college level, you're taking exams that are college level. So they're gonna, if you get 1 C out of, and you've taken 4 AP, it's not gonna be a concern. Again, if you're taking 4 APs and each of them you're getting a C on, it's a concern because it's telling them that you're not able to work at a college level. So there's always a red flag when you do that. And again, the only thing I want to say about AP, down the road when you get to college, it's really a cost savings because they will take levels 3s, 4s, and 5s when you take the exam, especially at the state schools, and you'll save time and you'll save money.
In order for a student to be placed in an AP class to begin with, there has to be a student interest, there has to be parental consent, a teacher recommendation, and also we look at the PSAT scores to see if the student's score indicate that they would have a potential to be successful in an AP course, along with grades, effort. That's a two-sided question because if they come to see me before May 1st, they will have the option to make any adjustments in their schedules that they wish. So they could if it's before May 1st. Once the school year starts and the course has begun, they will not be allowed to change. There will be academic tutoring after school and assistance for them, and the teacher and I will support them in any way, but they're in that course till the end, and they will be required to take that AP exam.